So I've got my ribbing neckband. It's 20% shorter than the neckline, than the opening, neck opening. I've made a loop. I have sewn this edge, so the short edge of my neckband. Now I'm turning it to the right side and folding it in half horizontally. So I've got the loop folded in half, and I'm going to attach it to our neckline. In the pattern you've got 4 notches, you can use them, but I only match my halves because I think it's enough. And I'm going to attach it to my neckline. I'm going to divide the neckline in half as well. I'm matching the seam, so my neckband is going to, the seam of the neckband is going to match the shoulder seam. That's why I'm dividing my neckline like that in half. So this is my half. It's past the front. I'm putting a clip here. My neckband is divided in halves as well. So I'm going to match these. Right sides together, shoulder seam and the seam of my, one shoulder seam and the seam of my neckband are matched, and then the halves are also matched. The half of my neckband, the half of my neck opening and shoulder seams. I'll start just before the shoulder seam and the matching neckband seam. Remember that we've got our semicircle and our triangle, so we need to take that into account. We're going to sew 3 more layers. So we've got altogether, we've got 4 layers. 2 layers of ribbing and 2 layers of the back with the semicircle, and then the front with the triangle. And don't forget to pull gently on the neckband. And done. So our neckband is in. Now I'm going to cover stitch around the neckband to make sure that it lays flat and it looks nice. We're going to top stitch using the cover stitch around our neckband. Okay, I'm starting at the back. My seam allowances are down, facing the hem. I'm aligning one of my ridges, so my outer ridge here, with this space. I'm going to use 3 needles or 2 top stitch, but I'm not going to use reverse cover stitching. I just prefer simple 3 needles. We are starting at the back. We are going to do it in the round, and we are going to use our guide, our ridge, on the foot to make sure that we're always cover stitching at the same distance from the ribbing. I'm not cover stitching on the ribbing. That's my personal choice. Foot down and let's go. That's the overlapping stitches. It's not even noticeable. The neckband is cover stitched, top stitched down, sitting flat. That's the back. So we're going to hem it. The sleeves and the hem, the bottom, have 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters hem allowance. Use whatever method you prefer. You can pin it, you can clip it, you can baste it, you can press it, you can go freehand. And I'm using 3 needles again, but not reverse, just 3 needles. And I'll start with the sleeves under the foot. Find your inch at the end of the hem. As I'm hemming the sleeve, I'm going to go with the outer left needle over that, but not beyond, so that I cover the hem, but I'm not going to have any excess. And we're going to do it in the round. So I'm starting just before my seam. And I'm getting close to my beginning. So I want the stitches to overlap again. Look at the ridges, look where the needle goes, and try to use the same space. And the other sleeve. And again, I'm trying to overlap the stitches. And done. That's the wrong side. And the hem. And our t-shirt is finished. So the hem